These are the dirty people in the legal profession, my brother, my sister, who in the days of Rawlings would have taken bullets into their heads. Thank God those days are over. My brother, my sister, did you hear that? When Alfred Wayome stole from the people of Ghana, a common useless thief like that, and the courts of Ghana said so, that he stole the money. And when you steal, you are a thief. My brother, my sister, Alfred Wayome stole from the people of this country. In the so-called judgment debt scandal, my brother, my sister, Alfred Wayome was paid some umpteen amount of Ghana cedis, my brother, my sister. At the time, Ghanaians rose in fury. They rose in anger. The matter went to court, and it came out that he stole the money. And for that matter, he had to refund every penny of the money, or else have some property that he had sold and money recouped to pay off the stolen money from the people of Ghana. My brother, my sister, now whilst he was in court, the state attorney, in other words, my brother, my sister, the state's lawyers, the lawyers that are paid with the taxpayers' money to defend the state, one of them by name Mr. Nerquaye-Tetteh, stooped so low and went for a bribe from Agbesi Wayome to the tune of 400,000 Ghana cedis, as reported by the Graphic. Now he wanted to play smart, so he asked the money to be transferred into the account of his wife. The money went straight to his wife, 400,000 Ghana cedis. Somebody who was being paid, and was being paid by the people of Ghana, the taxpayers, to take the interest of Ghanaians and Ghana seriously and at heart. He went and betrayed that trust and disgraced the law profession, the legal profession. My brother, my sister, it hurts me so bad. Ghanaians have lost interest. A lot of Ghanaians have lost interest in our law courts. It's only the rich that win. And this is an example of such dirty things happening in our courts. Now go to a woman in Choco who has had a fish stolen by some people and ask her to go to court. She will tell you, I have no money. In our country, it is only the rich who go to court. After all, it is a money game. The more money you have, the more people you can bribe, and you can buy victory and buy justice with money. It's sad. In some countries, the poor and the rich are glad to go to the court, and justice will be spelled out, my brother, my sister, devoid of who had deep pockets and narrow pockets. Today, my brother, my sister, I want to applaud the GLC for coming out boldly and putting away a dirty guy, a corrupt guy like Mr. Nerquaye-Tetteh. I don't know him. I have never met him. I don't know what his face looks like. It is not important. The most important thing is that he's a dirty guy. And it's because of these people some other lawyers take goats and sheep as bribe. Our country went into the Guinness Book of Records as a country that sells justice on a silver platter. When you have a goat, you will divert the court of justice. When you have a sheep, when you have a few pennies in your pocket, you can buy those lawyers, my brother, my sister, and judges. When Anas Armiyao Anas proved to us that, oh yes, with a goat, a hardened criminal could be set free a murderer and a rapist, bloodthirsty murderer. A rapist could be set free because some lawyer took a goat. My brother, my sister. Mr. Nerquaye-Tetteh, bow down your head in shame. You and your family, including your wife, you must bow down your heads in shame. You are a disgrace to the legal profession, a disgrace to lawyers in this country. Again, I want to applaud the GLC. You have a huge task. You need to clean up and purge this system. How could this happen? You are a lawyer of the state. There's a case against somebody who has stolen money from the state. Now you are supposed to stand there and defend the state. Now you go to the supposed or alleged criminal, and then you take 400,000 Ghana cedis transferred into your wife's account to eat chichinga. My brother, my sister, at the end of the day, Agbese Wayomi probably is so angry that even with the bribe that he paid, he has still been hooked. This guy should not only be sacked from the profession, he should go to jail. And in jail, we should encourage Atayi to sodomize him night and day with no mercy.